Alright guys, Kinmount Bushman here. Went out today and could not do a damn thing with this saw, the old Stihl saw. So, if your saw isn't cutting, or if it's smoking, pop these two nuts off. Pop the cover off here. Now mine's pretty clean inside because I had it apart recently. Normally it would not be anywhere near this clean. You're gonna have a bunch of debris and stuff in there, but you want to check the chain. Make sure you want all this area clear for the oiler to oil your chain, because if you're not oiling your chain, you're gonna have all kinds of problems. So everything looks all right. Everything's clean. Like I said, I had this apart recently. Yours probably isn't gonna look like this. Mine usually doesn't. You want to make sure you get all the debris and the crud out of there, and that'll keep the chain oiled and cleaned. Stick the nuts back on. And what we're going to do after we get the nuts back on here, we're just going to go through and we're going to check the teeth on this chain, because this thing is not cutting at all. So get yourself a little rat file, something close to the size of the teeth. And you want to just run it through, give it a spin. Run it through. And give it a spin. Run it through. Run it through. Run it through. Then you just can keep going all the way around until you see a nice sharp edge. You do that, you'll be back up and cutting in no time, guys. Cheers.